Hare Krishna. Happy Kartik, everyone. So I'm going to do two videos now. The first video is going to be on the double time beat. We've got a lot of requests for that, what you play when it goes fast. And there's one of the most common beats that's played, and that's this one. So I'll put the transcription, the notes for that in the description below. This is actually it's Kaharba Lohara in our Introduction to Mridanga book. So, oh yeah, we released our first book. So you can find that. I'll put the link to the book in the description as well. Link to the Amazon, and you can purchase a book. And this is the Kaharba Lohara section. So it's a fast beat. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first demonstrate this, and then the next video, it will be related to Kartik, to the Damodarastakam prayers. So it's one of the main beats you play in the Damodarastakam prayers. But we need to learn this one first before we can learn that one, because they're actually very similar. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to first show you how to play this one, then we can practice it together for a little bit, and then we can try it in the Kirtan. I'll sing something and play along with it. So yeah, and if you have any questions about this at all, you can always put that in the comment section, and I at this point I read all the comments as much as I can. So definitely feel free to let me know if you have any questions about that. So now you can open up the notes. So check the link in the description, open up the notes for this video, and here's how you play it. So in the notes you will see Dhin, and you'll see an open circle. That's open on the big side. Dhin. Okay? You gotta release the sound, make an open sound. On this side, then you'll see Te, 3 fingers, and then Ta, Din, Te, Ta. So Ta is 1 finger on the small side, and a closed sound on the big side. Alright, so that's the first half. Din, Te, Ta. Okay, so Din, Te, Ta. And then the next half is Ge, open on the big side. You see again the open circle. Dhi, that's open on the big side, and 3 fingers, 3 or 4 fingers, you can do either one. Dhin, Ge, Dhi, Na, and Na is 1 finger. So the beat goes Dhin, Te, Ta, Ge, Dhi, Na, Dhin, Te, Ta, Ge, Dhi, Na, Dhin, Te, Ta, Ge, Dhi, Na. So now, maybe you can pause the video if you're still not so familiar with it and try it out a little bit, practice a little bit. But I'm going to start it really slow, and we can practice this together, and it'll speed up. And I'll finish at a speed that is pretty good for a kirtan. Okay, so I'll start it really slow. We play together with the metronome. So here we go. So if that was too fast for you, or if it was too slow for you, then you can change the speed in the settings section of the YouTube. YouTube has a settings section, so you can change the speed of this, and you can try it slower or faster as you like. Okay, so now we're going to try this in a kirtan. So I'm going to sing something and we can play this together, and again we'll use the metronome. So let me hit play on that. Here we go. So I'll play it at the same speed. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, So, last thing we'll cover is, because I want to make this complete for you, I'll also cover a tehai. So this is Lohara tehais in the introduction book, Lohara tehais. So it's the next section after this. After Kaharba Lohara, it's Lohara tehais. So this is a decoration that you play at the end of the kirtan. So again, the notes for that are in the description. So you can look that up right now and try and figure it out, okay? Before I show it to you. So pause the video, try and figure it out, and then I'll show it to you. So here we go. So here's how it goes. Tak, 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 taki, taki, tak. Okay? Tak, 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 taki, taki, tak. So tak, 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 taki, taki, tak. Alright? I hope what you figured out, what I'm playing is the same. Then we're on the same page here. So now I'm going to try it again with the kirtan. I'll actually speed this up a little bit more now because now we're a little more familiar. So let's see if this is good. There we go. Yeah, good. As you saw, I played it at the end of the kirtan. Rama Rama Hare Hare. So in this case, I played it the second last Hare, right when I said Hare. Rama Rama Hare Hare. Rama Rama Hare Hare. So practice these mantras really well, and then next video I'm going to show you how to play the double time of the 2-beat, what they call 2-beat, which is actually lo fatal. I'll show you the double time of that, and that's the double time that you play for Damodarastakam prayers. Okay? So here's a glimpse of it. on the next video, alright? So, I'll see you then. Hare Krishna.